Hi and welcome to this video on how to make money with AI art. If you're an artist looking for new ways to monetize your work, or just interested in the intersection of art and technology, this video is for you. First, let's define what we mean by AI art. AI art is art created with the help of artificial intelligence, either by using AI tools to generate the art, or by incorporating AI into the creative process. AI art can take many forms, including digital art, video art, music, and even physical installations. Now, let's talk about some ways you can make money with AI art. Sell your AI art on platforms like Fine Art America, DeviantArt, or Saatchi Art. These platforms allow you to set your own prices and reach a global audience of art collectors. Collaborate with brands and companies on AI art projects. Many businesses are looking for ways to incorporate AI into their marketing and branding efforts, and partnering with an AI artist can be a unique and eye-catching way to do so. Teach others about AI art. If you have a strong understanding of AI and art, you could consider teaching workshops or creating online courses on the subject. This can be a great way to share your knowledge and expertise while also monetizing your skills. Participate in exhibitions and shows. Many galleries and museums are now hosting exhibitions specifically focused on AI art, and participating in these shows can be a great way to get your work seen and potentially sell it to collectors. Create and sell physical prints of your AI art. If you're creating digital AI art, you can use platforms like Society6 or Redbubble to turn your art into physical prints and sell them online. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with AI art, from selling your work on platforms like Fine Art America to collaborating with brands and participating in exhibitions. With the increasing popularity of AI art, now is a great time to start exploring these opportunities and finding what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or would like to share your own experiences with making money with AI art, leave a comment below.